What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have a 2024 F-250, and man, should you guys be excited for this one. Now we have a 4.5-inch Carli lift kit going into this bad boy. Along with the Carli lift kit, we have American Force Doom wheels in a 24x12 and 38-inch Nitto tires. So let's hop on back in the truck and get it on over to Zach, and let's start wrenching. Well guys, here it is. The F-250 is done. The 4.5-inch Carli lift kit is installed with the American Force Doom wheels and Nitto Ridge 38-inch tires. In my opinion, the transformation of this F-250 is exactly what the customer was looking for, and I'm so stoked for them to come pick it up as we speak. Well, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed seeing the F-250 and the transformation it went through. But as always, leave a like, comment down below as to what you thought about this build or how you would build your F-250 differently. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the KHC family. I'll see you in the next one.